Washing garments ought to be an extremely basic errand, however it can likewise be very troublesome, particularly when you are managing stains or odors that are difficult to get out. Garments that have been put away for drawn-out stretches of time or that are presented to sweat have a tendency to retain unsavory odors that don't turn out amid an ordinary wash cycle. Besides, if there is shape in our wardrobes or if our garments have been in rancid conditions, in many cases we need to discard our most loved garments. Gratefully, there are a few regular fixings that assist us kill these odors without influencing the nature of our garments. Here are 6 traps in view of normal fixings that will enable you to get the possess an aroma similar to sweat out of your garments without demolishing them and enable you to spare cash on cleansing agents. 1. White wine vinegar for offensive odors. Loads of individuals prescribe utilizing white wine vinegar to clean your home, and it is additionally an extraordinary other option to wash your garments. The acids help wipe out soil and sustenance stains and evacuate awful stenches. Besides, white wine vinegar has a softening impact and makes all textures have an exceptionally decent feel. Simply pour a large portion of a measure of white wine vinegar in your washing machine, where you would regularly pour the cleansing agent. On the off chance that the odors are exceptionally solid, blend the vinegar with some water and absorb your garments it for around 20 minutes. 2. Chilly air. The cool demeanor of the cooler is a decent answer for evacuate mildew-covered scents that wait on some garments. How would you utilize frosty air to get the possess a scent reminiscent of sweat out of garments? Wash your garments like typical and afterward abandon them in the cooler for a couple of hours. Following a couple of hours, wash them out and hang them outside to dry. 3. Baking soda. Baking soda is a standout amongst the most broadly known common fixings that can be utilized to clean with. Not exclusively does it help evacuate substances that reason repulsive odors, however it likewise gets out stains. On account of its fading impacts, it evacuates sweat stains and should just be utilized on white garments. How would you get the possess a scent reminiscent of sweat out with baking soda? Simply shake it on your garments and let it sit for 20 minutes, at that point evacuate it utilizing a brush. To maintain a strategic distance from form, put a little amount of baking soda in your storage room. 4. Tea tree oil. Tea tree basic oil contains antibacterial and against contagious substances that are regularly used to treat medical issues. It's utilized to kill odors since it dispenses with the stickiness from the garments. How would you utilize tea tree oil? Blend the tea tree oil with water and apply it on your garments. Place the garments outside and let them sit for 60 minutes. 5. Lemon juice. New lemon juice is every now and again used to take out sweat stains and smells since its citrus extract can without much of a stretch infiltrate the textures. How would you get the possess an aroma similar to sweat out of garments utilizing lemon juice? Juice a few lemons and blend the juice with 2 liters of warm water. Give it a chance to cool for some time. At that point absorb the garments it for 30 to 40 minutes. When they have completed the process of splashing, wash them out and hang them outside to dry. 6. Orange peel. An orange peel's scent is lovely and kills terrible odors. Besides, its parts leave garments feeling delicate and help expel earth stains. Peel a few oranges and heat up the peel in 2 liters of water. Give it a chance to cool for some time. At that point absorb your garments it. After they have been drenching for 3 hours, flush out the garments and hang them outside to dry. Since you've figured out how to expel odors from your garments with regular fixings, and have seen that the fixings are anything but difficult to utilize, you should simply pick the strategy that best fits your day-by-day schedule.